try to take a look up top later today with the drone. See how the pier is coming. Saturday morning, April 9th. It's getting hot. A lot of people come to the beach already at 10 after 8. A few surfers in the water. Not too many big waves this morning. Down by the further down, way down, past Tacos and Beers, way down there. We have some waves. You might be able to catch some. That's pretty much the far end of the beach. About a half a mile. So hopefully it's going to be sunny and bright all day, no clouds, no rain. Hopefully it'll be the same way tomorrow. The people are just setting up the tables right now. And the tide should be coming back in. But maybe it's going out. Nevertheless, there should be a lot of people down at the beach today. They sure haven't been around town, really downtown anywhere. But although we will take a video downtown this evening to let you know what's going on down there. The beach is packing up though. Early this morning. People getting ready, setting up early. Mostly vendors, but a lot of people exercising, playing in the water, fishing. A lot of fishermen this morning. Tons of fishermen out with their nets and poles, trying to catch some fish for the weekend. Hoping that going to save up enough money that I can buy one of them one-wheel little boards, and then I can just cruise up and down the beach to make the video, and I won't be walking, and it'll kind of be like faster. We'll take a look at the beach faster. So as time goes on, we will get more things. If Shiba Inu goes to $1, then we'll get lots of stuff. Like jet airplanes and things. I sure hope so. All my subscribers get at least, let's see. I don't want to look up it today, but I think I can afford it. If Shiba goes to $1, I can afford $1,000 for all my subscribers. You have to let me know where to send it. Hey, you can always just drop your address, your crypto address. But yeah, I'm hoping. Keep your fingers crossed. Maybe a couple years. We've already been making videos for over a year now. Much over a year now. To me, it seems like for years. Well, because I've been here for 5 years, 5.5. So it seems like a longer time, but the Rosarito Beach, Mexico YouTube channel has only been around for about a year. You'll check back in the videos, you can see Beach Fest. Pretty much there's videos of almost every week at the beach on our channel. From the beach, from the water, from the air. This is where you will find your beach updates, beach activities. Going on for the week. think this person, I don't know, trying to say that they were exercising. I'm not sure. It might be. My buddies, the trash cleaners, they're gonna be like, "Hey, little turkeys, you ain't doing nothing but making videos." That would at least they're they still wave and they're thankful for the work you do. Like I said, hopefully I inspired that one lady. She was walking around with a bag picking up trash. I really hope that I inspired other people to clean up trash, but we have to get down here Monday morning and clean because it's just going to be too much. It's going to be too much trash for the next couple of weeks. Every weekend, every single day. Every single day this stuff needs cleaning. This beach needs clean. People just drop the trash, throw the trash, throw the beer bottles. And, so if you come here, try to throw your trash in the barrels. They got tons of barrels. I mean barrels upon barrels. Tons of barrels. Just throw your trash in the barrels. We have to get back out here though. They need help. They don't deserve to bend over and pick up all this trash all the time. Day after day after day after day. Time after time, year after year after year. I know they change workers and stuff, but give a lending hand. Look at the progress that we've done. I mean, there are some trash up there, but look at the beach. There's no trash. So a little bit of cleaning helps. No cigarette butts, no trash. Beautiful, pristine, clean beaches. That's what we want, you guys. Come on. Help us keep it clean. Throw your trash in the trash beds. It's less work for us. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Thanks for continuing to watch the channel. It's gonna be a dog day, so we'll get a video of these dogs. And there they go the other way. They're crazy. Crazy dogs. Well, they got a lot of they got a lot of energy. Bring your dogs to the beach. The beaches here allow dogs, and just clean up the poop. You gotta have them on the leash. Like I said, thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Thanks for continuing to watch the channel. We'll be giving you beach updates right here all the time. Rosarito Beach, Mexico. Rosarito Beach.